Good day, welcome to Mercenaries Design in the continuation of our school development that we are working on. So this is the last episode. We were able to bring all this annotation into place, understand, and design the staircase as well. So for now, what we want to do is that we are not going to conclude on all this, but I want to at least make the model come to a normal reality, so that I'll be able to conclude on some of these things. I will see that the model is finished at the school, then focus on so many other things that we're going to do for the aesthetic. So let's go. So now what I do is that I will select all these ones. Okay, I should have select everything on the third floor, which is this place. So left one, good. Select all the instance here. Instance, so copy to clipboard. Go to level 5. Align to current view. Now you select everything. What you do next is that I'm going to change the I'll call it 20, but I just want the height to be something else. So I'm going to call it 1800. Let me see. Okay, so level of 1800, everything is going to be level. So I will select all the doors here, select all the instances in this view and delete it. Select the windows as well, select all instances in this video, in this level, and delete it. So everything is gone. So I'm going to remove this one, I don't need it for now. So what I'll go is that I'll go to this part. So this is what I have here. So most of these internal wall, I don't need them. I'm going to delete them. So all of them here, they are going to leave the space for me because I want to create the roof. So now what I do is that I'll go to level 5. So at the level 5 now, I will select all the walls here, delete. The same thing here as well, delete. So then we do the same thing here. I don't need the wall here, delete them. I don't need this one as well, so I don't need this. So I'll still come up, delete some of those things that are needed. So you delete all these things, all this wall internal, only the external one you are going to leave. So delete this one as well, delete this one, delete this one too, they are not needed. So it's one will feel like that. So what you do now is that you select and break this one into 2, modify. So split this, then you beautiful. So now you create your roof. Now how do the roof? It's just going to be normal. So let's say go to roof. Let's say roof here. Now you make everything single. You don't need to bring them. How will I call it now? So just use by footprint. I do by footprint now, and I'm going to say modify. So I will click on rectangle. I just want to draw. Bring everything here. So we'll do the same thing as well. Okay, and maybe the same thing here too. So you break this into 2. Break this at the same time, break this. So you trim all that are necessary. You trim this one too, you trim this one. So as you've done with that, you remove this excess one in between. So now you draw the proper one, so to cut across the edge of that. So what you do next is that you click every time you say define slope should disappear. So you select define slope here and select another define slope here, and you say this one should be an angle. So this one you reduce it to like 3. So in other words, you click finish. So don't attach. So when you look at it from 3D, you see what you have created. That's the roof. So the roof 4, you can increase it, the slope to 5. So that's how it's flow. So now the conclusion of this is this. So we have it. Now it's not finished. So what we do next is that we now come here. So this is where we're going to adjust majority of what we did there. Let's go to this level. Okay, foundation level. Okay, on the foundation level, this is what we have, right? So what we just need to do is that we display the first floor so that we'll be able to adjust this one. So underlay should be level 1. So this is the level 1 that we have. So the security part is here. You can later adjust. Understand? So this one is here. So this is going to be let's see, let's go back. Okay, now I'm going to adjust this one to fit in here. So I will say click, then click here. No, where did you go? So here's the issue. So go to level 2. So at the level 2, let's have underlay of a foundation. So I'll be able to see what we are doing. So we have created this one. So this one is going to be like this. This is going to come this manner. Now, here this one need to come here. So you understand why this is staircase. So we cannot hold this one here. We drag it to somewhere around here, because that is a staircase, and then we cannot put. So it's going to start there. So in other words, these are the portion we are going to use. So we still maintain the standard of what we are doing. So here, this one come inside. Actually, we're going to come in between this step. So you understand. So we go to 3D and adjust. So as we have that one now, we adjust this one and say, understand. So we do the same thing. Now I delete this. I don't even need them again. I might just myself. Delete this one. Delete everything. So let's go back and go and start drafting what we need to draft. So delete this. Go to this, then drag this back. Understand? So now go to level 1, then call this underlay. Let's show the foundation. So here is it. You climb here, you come from here. So this is supposed to be double door. We'll come back to that and do the needful. So I think with this, so we have everything here. So from level 1, we climb here. So at the level 2, which is here, so we start to bring out something to cover up this position. So we stop it here. So we extend this one all the way from here too, and stop it here. So now we curve this and call it up. So this one now we are going to repeat it at level 3, and we call it underlay level 2, so that we'll be able to see what we are creating. So we repeat it as well, create similar. So you do the same thing here too, and cover everything there. So delete this one, or you break it up anyone you feel like doing, because this wall is going to go, but later we decide what we want to use that for. So you just need to understand the method of designing. So delete this and you have that in place. So you extend this one later by saying edit. So draw the line. So you click finish. So let's go back to 3D and see what we've done. So this is how far the 3D looks like. So we come back to come and finish this up at once, because this is not what this place should be. Now after we're done with this, now we now need to focus on the elevation, so that we bring everything into normal standard. But let me quickly roof this one. So I'm going to say, because this roof is going to take different formats, so I'm going to say go to level 5 as well. So underlay, underlay to level 4, then you click on and say roof. So when you do it like this now, then you do that. So click here and say, so this is going to spread outside a bit. It's not going to be the same format, but this one is going to be a little bit different. So let's just have it like that. Bring this to this level. So, and I click finish, don't attach. Come to this and see what you have. So this is all I have. So it's not over yet, but we still continue to make a progress. So now the system is set like this. So what we just need to do is the internal package. So this one, I'm going to make sure that it constant a little bit, because that is the beam part. So I'm going to say minus, let's add minus, so minus minus 700. I use 700 minus 700. So then we add that 700 to this one. That will be 25. So this come back to normal. So come back here and say click and get it from the say okay, go to view, select now, expand it. So this is what we create. Increase it. You see the format that will follow. So it's going to be something like gable roof. Understand? But it's actually not gable. So this is what we have here for now. So the staircase run like this and come like this and finish there. Only one side. So now we're done with that. Now the last part we want to do is the staircase of this back side. So what do? You go to this place and say create similar thing. This level 1. And we say create similar thing. So go to stair, because we must have escape part. So now go to scale, say, and then you start drawing from boundary. So this is part. Then escape is going to have stair in that level. So we have the level, have it draw from here. Then you have let it stop there. Just like 2 meters, and then we call it to wrap there. So the next thing we do, you still have it here. We do. Now you offset to maintain the. So our offset is going to be 50. So 50 here and 50 there. Then we delete the middle one. So then we draw the. So we draw the next boundary, which is this one. We check from 1 meter. Okay, and that's it. So this one we're deleting it, then we create. Actually, this one is not needed, but just leave it that way. So we now start drawing riser. So let's say the riser starts here and the riser starts here. So offset them by 300. Should be ID. Good. So if you finish it up and you didn't reach the level, then we start from. So but this one is going to be different because it's not going to start from. So stair part is very different. So this is what we have here. Then we need to trim and work on the remaining part. So we can like move it back to like 600. So now we establish more by saying offset. So trim again, trim, and trim. So that's all. Now it's not over. You can say cancel, and then you try to draw the part in which you follow. So you draw the part here like this, and you click the part and say finish. So the part follow, and then you select and change, click finish, so that you change it to desirable stair. I think it's monolithic because we create similar things. So what we do now is that we select this, or you go to start elevation and see that here. So here you can like change this to, yeah, and the second one do the same thing by changing it. Okay, now we get something down here. Extend this outside. So this is how far this one will, but this one will still come from under. So you understand? So we will work on that one briefly. So how we're going to do that, we will extend it. But if you do it beyond, but how do we do it? Now let me quickly do that so that everything will be clear. So I need like how many risers to go on, like start from the base. So you understand? So I need to work on that one, and now I'm going to do it. It's a simple way. I can push this back a bit so I'll be able to start from where I want to start from. So now we said my base should be minus 1000. Sorry, minus 1000. Minus 1000 should be my base. So click like that. Click OK. Can you see? So it drag it down. So when you have the base of minus 1000, so all you just need to do is to start from that baseline, then increase the remaining one. So I need to have let's say 150 divided by 1000. So I need to add another 6 to it. So edit. So edit again. Double click. So go to plan. Yes, and open. So this is where you do the work. So you just need to just like 1, 2. Then you add more. Then you trim everything. So trim here. So now you extend this one. You click on extension, extend this and extend this. Click finish. So when you click finish, go to finish again. Then go to 3D. Start front elevation and see. So everything click. So you start from that point, and that is how you do the staircase. So that's the most important to understand that for it. So here now we can like rejig it and take it up. So instead of this one to start from, just say copy to keyboard, then you say select to level 2. Can you see? So instead of this one to start from 1000, you bring this one to 0. Can you see? So you click and you maintain the same. So that's how it works. So you go ahead and 3D and see what we have done. Go around, and this is it. So in the coming one, we are going to now start finishing them up. We are opening the door, then open what we need to open. But before that, let me quickly do this one. So go to level 2. So everything starts from there. So I will say click. Go to level. So we do the same thing here too. Go to 3D, so select that floor. You say edit. Come to level 2, the same place. So extend that as well. So click and you delete this relevant one. So that's all. That is all technical parts we want to work on here now. So in the next episode we work on the whole area together again. So start beautifying the elevation and add some of the embellishment around the area, then looking at the sites and create the pitch and have a form to form that church, that particular church building. We are not going to do that, but this is our focus on the environment. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.